Ever notice these striking red and white pipes of the thermal power plants looking like a giant candy cane? You might think, wow, those engineers sure have a sweet tooth. But there's actually a much more important reason behind those stripes, and it's not about satisfying sugar cravings. First things first, why paint pipes at all? These metal giants are constantly exposed to the elements, and without protection, they'd be vulnerable to the rust and extreme temperatures. And now you might be thinking, why not just paint them any color? Well, there's a reason those bright stripes stand out. So, red is a color that readily absorbs heat and helps them radiate heat more efficiently. But red isn't the whole story. White, on the other hand, reflects sunlight, keeps the pipe cooler during the day. It also helps them with the visibility, making it easier to spot leaks or damage. So, the red and white stripes are like superhero duo. Red absorbs heat, white keeps things cool, and together they protect the pipe. So, those red and white stripes aren't just visual trait, they are practical and scientific choice for protecting the pipes, ensuring efficient operation and prioritizing safety in a complex environment. After all, in the world of power generation, every detail on those stripes count. Just like it does when battling powerful toxins. Those toxins, incredibly, can be turned into something life-saving. Curious how? Check out this video to see how venom is converted into anti-venom.